Hey there, space aficionados. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of the universe. Today, we have a mind-blowing question to tackle. How did the moon form? Prepare to get your cosmic socks knocked off. Picture this, the early days of our solar system, billions of years ago. A collision of astronomical proportions occurs between a Mars-sized object named Theia and our very own planet Earth. Boom! This incredible crash sent debris flying through space. The heat and energy released during this cosmic clash melted the Earth's mantle, creating a molten disk of rock and debris encircling our young planet. Over time, gravity takes the stage and starts working its magic. The rock and debris in the disk slowly clump together, forming moonlets. Think of these moonlets as baby moons. As they orbit Earth, they grow, collide, and merge, slowly building the moon we know today. Now, fast forward a few million years. The moon has grown in size, but is still pretty close to Earth. Believe it or not, it used to be even closer. Earth's gravitational pull stretched the moon and caused tidal forces, leading to a transfer of angular momentum. As the moon moved further away, this transfer of angular momentum gradually slowed Earth's rotation. Just like a figure skater extends their arms to spin slower, Earth took a chill pill and started slowing down. Today, it takes about 24 hours for our one full rotation. Speaking of nights, have you ever wondered why we see different phases of the moon? Well, as the moon orbits Earth, sunlight hits it from different angles, causing shadows and creating those mesmerizing lunar phases we adore. And there you have it, fellow cosmic adventurers. The moon's formation was a wild cosmic dance, a massive collision, gravity's embrace, and a graceful moonwalk away from Earth. It's awe-inspiring to think about how our beautiful moon came to be. Remember, the universe is full of incredible stories like this one, waiting to be explored. As always, keep your curiosity fueled and reach for the stars. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.